If you've made up your mind that you're in the market for an ice maker, let me just show you why the ecozy Smart Nugget ice maker may be your best choice. It makes that same chewable nugget style ice that you get at Sonic. Soft, it's crunchy, it's perfect for drinks or just snacking. We absolutely love it. Whole point of this machine is to give you fresh ice. And each batch, it takes about an hour to make, and a full basket takes around a few hours to fill, depending on the water quality. So keep in mind, this isn't a freezer, but it uses dual layer insulation that keeps the ice frozen for hours. Now, I found that it stays solid for about 3 to 4 hours, and when it does melt, the machine just recycles the water into the next batch. But let's jump into some hard numbers and specifications, because if you're anything like me, you want the numbers before making a decision. The ecozy Smart Nugget ice maker can produce about 44 pounds of nugget ice per day if you're constantly running it. The internal basket, it holds about 2.6 pounds at a time, so that's roughly about 11 cups of ice when it's full. It runs on a standard 120 volt power, it connects via Wi-Fi, and works with the ecozy app. It is fully compatible to be controlled through Alexa and Google Assistant. Now, one huge plus for me is it only takes up about 16 inches tall, 12 inches wide, 10 inches deep, so it fits nicely on the countertop. Not to mention it looks pretty good, so the missus doesn't complain about this one. And again, the whole point of this is to have fresh ice. So if you're after smart features and serious ice output, this one delivers, and the reviews show it. We go through ice fast. I've got 3 kids in football, basketball, volleyball, and between water bottles, protein shakes, and ice drinks, we're constantly running out of ice. And that's why we decided to add this machine to the kitchen, and we've used it daily ever since we've gotten it. Super easy to use. Matter of fact, you just hit the power button, you're ready to go. There's no complicated interface. You just press the button to start making ice, or you can even control it through the application on your phone. And there's even a soft LED light inside, which makes it easy to see the light clearly. Even in a dim kitchen, you have no problem. The best part about the app is it lets me start or even stop ice production remotely. If I'm away from home, I just pull up the app, I hit the start button, so ice is ready when I get back, or I just say, Alexa, turn on the ecozy ice maker.
Okay.
It even has a scheduling feature, so I can set it to run in the early morning and have a fresh basket waiting when I wake up. Did you ever wonder how some of these restaurants get the best tasting, just super clear ice? Well, here's something smart. This machine has a TDS water quality sensor built into it. So TDS stands for Total Dissolved Solids, and it measures how pure your water is. Lower the numbers equals better ice and also longer machine life. So I just buy filtered water from the grocery store, which keeps my TDS at between 15 and 20, which is well under 200. So let me give you a visual. Here's some ice that I made from the refrigerator. It's got this hazy white color to it. And here's the ice from the ecozy ice maker. Clear as can be and great tasting. The TDS was around 15 to 17 on the filtered water that I bought from the store. And if we pour the tap water in the machine, you'll see the TDS measured out much higher. Now, if the TDS is high, the machine's gonna alert you. And low TDS also means the machine's gonna last longer, as I told you before, just simply because there's fewer particulates that are gonna get stuck in the lines. It's a pretty cool feature. Cleaner water means quieter operation, crystal clear ice, and less scale buildup. Now, as I mentioned before, this machine is not a freezer. However, the dual layer insulation makes a real difference. Even after 3 to 4 hours in the basket, the ice still holds its shape. I ran 2 full cycles back to back, completely filled the basket for this shot, just to show you what it looks like when it's topped off. And if anything melts, it's recycled automatically, no waste. Take a look at this nugget ice. It's soft, it's crunchy, super satisfying to chew. I use it in protein shakes, sodas, you name it. And the kids, they just scoop it, snack it straight from the basket. Between the smart features, nonstop output, quality of ice, this is a no-brainer, and it makes so much more sense why they've got so many reviews on this product. So if your family goes through ice like we do, the ecozy Smart Nugget ice maker, it's 100% worth it.